A car dealership looks at the engine size and price of 20 cars sold 1 month to see if there is any correlation between the two. They suspect there will be a positive correlation. State suitable null and alternative hypotheses. So the null hypothesis for this type of test is always that rho is equal to 0. The alternative in this case, since they suspect a positive correlation, would be rho is greater than 0. The critical value for a one-tail test at the 5% level is 0.378, and the correlation for this sample is calculated as 0.295. State whether H0 is accepted or rejected. So, what we're saying is that the critical value is 0.378. That means the critical region is from there upwards. But our value is here, 0.295. It's not in the critical region, and therefore we have no evidence that could cause us to reject H0. So H0 would be accepted in this case.